Hello guys, stay with me. Let me show you how I made Banga stew today. Banga stew is called Ofe Akwu in Igbo land. So see what I use for it. I use the palm fruit which is called Banga. I use roundabout, I use goat meat, I use stockfish, I use scent leaf, I use ugu leaf, I use onion, I use crayfish, I use pepper, and I use non-mangi as well. I use onga for banga. I use onga for banga stew. So after cooking the palm fruits, which is the banga, so I now smash it with mortar a little bit in order not to break the palm kernel. So see me separating the chaff from the original stuff that we need. So see me separating it. So after then I will now use sieve to filter it. So see the chaff, see the main thing, see the mortar that I use. So after then I will now put it on. So see me putting the ogiri okpe. After then I added the onga for banga. I still see the crayfish that I use, see the mangi, see the onion. So by then the meat that I use with the stockfish is on a separate pot. I have cooked it. So see me adding all of them. At this stage our banga stew is getting ready. Our banga stew is getting ready. So after watching this video, and if there is any place you don't understand, hit the comment section, ask me any question there and I'll answer you. I'm here for you. So see me eating already. Our banga stew is ready. Our banga stew is ready. So see me eating. And it's very simple to make. It's very simple to make. Camera, come closer so that they will see my banga stew. It's very